What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I feel like this video is going to be my last video before I'm gonna find myself in labor. Yes, I'm literally counting down to my day when I'm gonna give birth, and I can't wait. Right now, if before I was scared and I didn't want to think about that day, right now me want to think about that day. I'm want this day to come faster, cause girl, it's hot summer heat is killing me. I'm a big belly, I'm feeling like a stuffed turkey, cause look, yeah, so the belly big, belly ready for go to the hospital. Yeah, I'm ready for give my belly to my doctor. Yeah, do something with me, I'm tired. Yeah, so my estimated date is 31st of August, but I have a feeling it is going to happen a little bit earlier, maybe 27, 28th of August. But let's see if I'm right, if I'm assuming right, but I'm just assuming on my feelings, okay? Because just the other days I started feel they call it false contractions. How do them call it? Yeah, something like that, when your belly grabs you. And I knew that feeling. That feeling was literally what I am going to experience upon my labor day. So I'm going to be on a toll from Ochi to Kingston back and forth, because I'm gonna take away my braces. Okay, you can congratulate me. It's almost 2 years since I installed braces. Yes, and that's the result. I can't wait to take out my braces. I can't wait to push out my baby, okay? And everything just came in a bulk, and I know next month is going to be super busy, super full of things to do. Yeah, but right now we're still in July, and today I'm going to see my doctor. Yeah, so I'm visiting more regular right now, every 2 weeks. So the other day I had to pass my blood test again. They tested HIV, yes, because you have to pass them tests when you're ready to breastfeed your baby, so you can breastfeed your baby, so they know you're healthy and alright, so you can't give nothing to your baby. Yeah, but I swear I remember in my very first prenatal blood test, they tested me already, but the time passed, so maybe they need a fresh test, whatever. I just followed instructions, so I went there and they took my fresh blood out of my vein. Yeah, it was pretty painful, but I have to deal with the pain is a part of life, okay? Yeah, so we did it, and today I'm going to see my doctor. Me change the location, but not the doctor. So I'm going to the office. She has two locations, so she has office more closer to where I am. Yeah, I wanted to tell you guys, in case you're going to a medical facility in Jamaica, make sure you carry your own masks. Yes, COVID-19 gone, but a lot of doctors, they still require you wearing mask if you want to see them, okay? If you don't carry your own masks, you're going to buy their paper mask, and they kind of overpriced them. So paper mask for 300 Jamaican does not really work for me, so I have my own things, okay? Yeah, so 2,000 on new money, right? It never existed in two before.
No.
Oh, okay. See, and it's a nanny. This is nanny. So how you gonna call this?
You can't call it nanny again. You have to call it nanny sharp. Sharp nanny. Nanny sharp.
Sharp nanny.
Nanny sharp. Nanny the first.
No,
nanny
sharp nanny. Sounds better. And this is nanny, old version.
Nanny the old.
Nanny alone.
Nanny alone.
No sir.
Okay, nanny again.
Yeah, so Jamaican people are gonna call it.
Yeah, that's what I said.
What is the name for new 2,000? Two grand? Two granny? The prime ministers, right?
Yeah, Michael Manley. Yeah, that's it. If you know, so we know him in real life.
Yeah, guys.
No boss.
Oh, you actually met this guy before.
Actually, him played
This one?
before, yeah, Mr. Coach.
What
Mr.
ya?
The Manchester Valley football team over there.
It feel weird to look at
See?
him on money. Pregnancy is expensive. Let me tell you something. It is expensive in Jamaica. Make it rain. Make it rain for the duck. Alright, so I'm ready. I'm ready to go. I'm gonna grab like a lunch before doctor visit cause this place they don't have appointments, so I probably will need to wait for a while. So yeah, I prefer to wait on my full belly, so I grab my lunch before I visit doctor. Alright, now belly full. I'm ready to wait for long hours. Joke. Still want to go through fast as I can. Yeah, come off of the road. Let's go.
No, pull it.
You say, Errol, I have to leave my name at the desk or no? I have to leave my name at the desk?
Oh, yeah, no.
Yeah, leave my name at the desk and I go wait forever here. Yeah. Okay, here no appointments. So when you come and you just put your name at the desk, then them call you. So my doctor said that the baby turned already, so the baby head already done there. Yeah. Kick no, man. Give me a kick. Oh, that's it, right? Okay. We went through, so the visit is going to start.
Getting ready. Flowery dress. She does not have no scratch mark, nothing. Very good skin you have.
Just a hernia.
Just a hernia.
Yeah, but I never felt it. I'll be so happy.
Let me see.
That's it for today, right?
This for today. Oh, pretty, yes.
We are done. The next visit next 2 weeks. I'm going home now. So as well today we talked with my doctor about my future way of contraception, preventing new pregnancies after me giving birth. And I was given options. So first option was implant for 3 years, and next was something will go inside your V inside your V for 10 years. And Errol was so happy to hear about this V-way that goes inside for 10 years. Errol was like, yeah, sure, 10 years. So like you should stick to 10 years.
20 possible.
Yeah.
Maybe 20.
Yeah, no, find that again.
We have the audacity to tell the doctor about maybe again.
No, but you know, I just, well, me no know. 3 years, yeah, me no think like cost of living too high, and you know, planet is overpopulated, so I have to slow down, you know. 3 kids, I think it's perfection. What do you think, Carol? And yeah, even if I decide to go for the next one, I still can take it out. So I feel like I am going to take the
just consult
freeway.
first.
Yeah, and as well, my doctor told me that I don't need to carry my animal because in the hospital, Sentence Bay Regional Hospital, they do not believe in animals. She said kind of old school, and she said if I want to do it myself, I can do it myself. But nobody not gonna do it for me. They don't do it, so you don't need to carry anymore. Cause she said some research show that it don't really matter if you're came in the labor room without anymore. It doesn't really make a difference. Yeah, I guess it's natural way. So what is natural? You can't be ashamed of it. Yeah. I'm gonna grab some ice cream because I feel for it. Yes, baby mama is feeling for some nice ice cream.
Let's go.
Yeah. See what's good. They have a new flavor. I don't know how it's new, but never try it with pineapple and ginger. I try to decide. Yes.
Have a coconut.
Yeah, you can. You can have a coconut ice cream. Drop. I'm clumsy. What should I take? I'm confused now. Yeah, I'm confused. So, it's a mango. Never tried mango before. Oh, thank you. Wow. Have a look. Yeah, alright. Have a see mango ice cream. Try it now. Come on, mango. You tried before mango? Tastes good. Tastes good? Tastes. Ah, good. What you get, Leah? Coconut. And it loves coconut. And you have pistache. Pistache. Mango. They need to put one honeydew flavor. That is good too. Ice cream. One, try. Say it's good. It's good enough. Let's try. Yum. Yum. You're lying. Yum. Alright, boy, I'm gonna have to do some laundry. Work never stops. But anyway, as you guys know, my kids are on summer break right now, like kids all over the world. Yes, it is a summer break right now in Jamaica, so they've been at home half of June. Right now it's the end of July, and we have 1 month to go. It's August. Yeah, and it's not so easy if you're a parent, because you need to always think about how to occupy their time so they're not bored. And as well as a parent, you have to do some stuff. You know, you have to cook, you have to clean, you have to give yourself some time, so you know you don't get mad and you blow mentally, burnt out. Yeah. So Errol does his part in terms of football. He runs his football academy 3 times per week, and it helps me a lot. So my kids, they have their time to release all their energy on the field, so they give me less trouble at home. Yes, and the rest of the week it's kind of half same, but I am more about to lead my kids to the table, sit them down, make them paint, draw, do some craft. Молодец, того доросли. Danny?
Да.
Doing good?
Да.
Получается, Лео?
Да.
Finish?
Да.
Yay! Leo? Danny? Yay! Good job. Clear.
Daddy, can play swing.
Alright, you can get 1 hour of switch.
Mommy said I can play swing for 1 hour. Mommy said that. It's because we just work very, very hard. What is this?
Just want to make them know it's 1 hour attraction.
Video. I'm a person and I'm
Alright, so that's how we do it.
Prison.
So we not only play video games right through the day.
All day.
Yes. Leo, очень красиво. У тебя получилось красиво. Все? Yay! Read. Yeah, things they don't really. They like it. I can't say they don't like it, but they rather PlayStation, Nintendo Switch, they rather Netflix all day long, you know. And if you're not gonna lead them to the table, sit them down and say, hey, you know, we can draw, we can, you know, we can do some things. And the other thing, you know, I found one educational program because, as you know, guys, I am Russian born, so I want Maki to speak Russian as well and speak it good because you don't know where the future going to lead them. Yes, the world is big, you don't know what they're gonna choose in the future, so I don't want to close that door for them. And Leo, he can speak Russian, he understands Russian very good. He can speak Russian good, but he doesn't do it grammatically right, you know. And Daniel, he doesn't want to speak Russian at all. Listen, Daniel, he understands. Sometimes he does not understand. But most of the time he understands, but doesn't want to answer in Russian. You know, he will never answer in Russian. Only maybe like those words like yes, no in Russian, done yet. But other than that, he wants to answer me in English. So, I started to think about that. Because I have to do something with it. If I'm not gonna do something with it, then I'm gonna speak Russian. So to help my kids to learn my native language, what I did just the other day, I downloaded one educational program about subscription because I found it very hard to find something what is free, and most free stuff doesn't make any sense, so you have to pay like for those lessons. It's a program, not like online lessons. It's not a real-time program. It's already recorded, so you can buy subscription. But I'm thinking about to sign them for a real online school in Russian language, because I feel like me speaking to them in Russian is not really enough for them to develop their language skills. Oh, go on, Errol.
When you get called crazy.
Yeah, why you cannot shop without me? You need to learn how to shop without me, man. You don't have to call me every time to ask me one.
Look on this.
So,
$3
$3 and then because of bigger size you bought.
Yeah, but so I need in England.
You follow English, lady? Yeah. But most of the times me use half of the pack me I buy for 1,500, half of it. But okay, I can split it for 2 times is better.
Yeah, I'm told the English they say. She say things are 3 times expensive in Jamaica than England. So I pick up a whole grocery of things in the country store and put them half of them in front of me.
And most of them probably foreign, no?
What she took up? No, she took up on cake something and local. She took up Hershey. It's one part of food culture.
Yeah, because some people from foreign, they come to Jamaica and they want to stick to the same high, you know, chest brands from foreign. Yeah, it is expensive.
I take up some things and say she not. And the doctor have the money and say she not buy them.
Stick to local, but yeah, just the other day we sticked on mostly to local, and our grocery bill came very high too.
So local things are expensive too?
Yeah, they're expensive too, so local word can't trick me. Anyway, good. We forgot scotch bonnet pepper and bread. And buy bread for my grilled cheese sandwich. So far as I buy bread, yesterday I looked at the bread that I wanted. Alright, well anyway, thanks. Дани, Лео. Дани, какой твой любимый вид спорта?
Another sport.
Нет, какой твой любимый, самый любимый вид спорта? see if he's gonna understand.
Basketball.
Basketball ka? Basketball.
Basketball.
See guys, future basketball star. Лео, а твой любимый вид спорта?
Football.
Франки. Футбол? Футбол. А тебе нравится футбол, Дани?
Да.
Но тебе больше нравится баскетбол, да? You like more basketball, but Daddy makes you play football. Well, you don't mind. Yeah, I just asked kids what's their favorite, the most favorite sport. Leah said football, Danny said basketball. But it's not really popular in Jamaica, so you got what you got. Yeah, we came to train football with Daddy. Daddy gonna train kids today, and Leah and Danny and other kids. Yes, summer activities. The weather looks pretty good today. Somebody already came. It's just 3:30. Training starts 4. Most of the times people are late. Jamaican time. Yeah, some people are extra early. Real football lovers. I might as well go walk because the field is good. So what I do, I kind of use it for exercise. Free exercise. I just walk around the field. Walk in hope to not gain any more weight. And then I sit down and mix my lasko and eat crackers and hope next time I'm gonna walk out those calories. Life be like life of pregnant mommy, pregnant woman life. I tell you, a struggle. See me, look water, look crackers,
So you close the door now?
look lasko.
Oh yeah, thanks.
You got more mango?
Yes, this one.
Yeah. People like to say, yes, I gave you my easy. Yes.
No man, yeah man, that's alright.
Not easy.
I'll come back there.
Not easy.
Come back there.
No. There's
you gotta
no
get
time
this
to
going
be
now.
easy. See my to-go kit. Pregnant woman to-go kit. Yes. What Alaska crackers. Doy. I'll get mango. Woy. Me say. Me and Errol for share. Me and Errol to share this together. Can't tell me nothing. No. The man tried to hide it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10.
Alright, I'm going to take a walk